Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
The Aussie dollar traded with much indecision this week. A lot of choppy price action. I think the indecision will continue into the rest of 2021. We have a short-term and long-term bias to the upside for the coming week, but a much-needed cleansing of over-leveraged long players is needed before an extended move up can happen. So for the bull case, a break of the structure, this structure formed by the white line to around the 0.75792 level will eventually happen, and it's likely to happen in the coming week. So if you're getting into this long trade marked by this green line, try and reduce your position and be nimble in your mind, right? Expect changes, right? Expect uncertainty. We see strong resistance at these levels. Because if you look at the daily, it's around 200 MA. Then for the bear case, if this structure fails to hold and price drops to the downside, we think that it will be held by this red line, and price will have to move up before it moves back down. But either way, you can see that structurally there are a lot of pitfalls. So if we want to enter a trade, we really want to make sure we're at the top or at the bottom, right? So short here, then long here or long here, right? But structurally, I think eventually at least these two levels needs to be broken minimally, and then even like price could even go down to retest this level before an extended upside can happen for Aussie dollar.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.